Let's divide 196 by 2. Hey super math stars. Sparkles, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We're dividing 196 by 2. We look at the first digit of 196, which is 1. We can't divide 1 by 2, so we keep it. Since 1 is smaller than our divisor 2, we ask ourselves, how many times does 2 fit into 1? 0 times. 0 times 2 is 0. We write 0 above the 1. Now we subtract 0 from 1, which leaves us with 1. Easy peasy. You're doing amazing. Keep that positive energy going. Now let's bring down the next digit 9 to join our remainder 1. Great job, now we have 19. How many times does 2 fit into 19? We bring down the next digit 9 to make the number 19. Let's think 2 times table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. That's 9 times. So 9 times 2 is 18. We write 9 in our quotient above the 9. Now we subtract 18 from 19. That leaves us with a remainder of 1. Woohoo, you're a math superstar, almost there. Let's bring down the last digit 6 to join our remainder 1. Last step, we now have 16. How many times does 2 go into 16? We bring down the 6 to make 16. We're so close to the finish line. Let's count by 2s again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That's exactly 8 times. Fantastic, 8 times 2 is 16. We write 8 in our quotient. Now subtract 16 from 16. We get 0, no remainder this time. You did it, high five. You've mastered this division problem. We've reached the end of our division. Our final answer is 98. So 196 divided by 2 equals 98. Great job, everyone. We just conquered long division. Remember, every step is a new opportunity to learn and grow. You've got this. That's all for today, mathletes. Keep practicing and exploring. See you in the next video on Let's Stud. Bye for now, waving hand.